Data infrastructure for open science, it can be seen as a global storage, which provides a storage service for the experiments. This means that experiments, they put data in this infrastructure. This data is shared across all the partner sites, across all the scientific community, and provides easy access to the people that needs to analyze this data. This data infrastructure is useful for the science, for the heavy-duty cycles. We need to think about the data recording from the experiments themselves. You have a telescope which is in an island, you have a telescope which is in the desert. You need to stream this data to this large infrastructure. And the data is secure and is coherent.